During lockdown, I was scared, but the monks at CDF helped to remove my fear.
Through CDF, I learnt the true power of giving.
In uncertain times, our Bhante reminded us of impermanence.
Without CDF, I wouldn't have this opportunity.
I'm from the UK and I joined Colombo Dhamma Friends in lockdown. 𝘾𝙤𝙣𝙣𝙗 𝙒𝙨. In uncertain times, our Bhante reminded us of impermanence, gratitude and the power of Dhamma. Did you know that all teachings are given to us freely, but also runs on donations? And right now, they are living in a rental property. It's our turn to help. Let's show our gratitude and let's find our monks a permanent residence.
Through CDF, I learnt the true power of giving. I had an amazing opportunity of giving dana for 7 days in a row to the Mahasangha. So now our monks need our help to build a permanent home so they can spread the Dhamma. Let's come together and make this happen.
I attended the CDF 7-day retreats, where Bhante taught us discipline, starting with something as simple as making our bed. For years, the monks of CDF have been a source of wisdom and compassion, showing us the way through the Dhamma. The CDF needs us. The monks have dedicated their lives to sharing the Buddha's teachings. Now, they need a permanent home to continue their amazing work. Let's come together and make it happen. Every bit of support counts.
During lockdown, I was scared, but the monks at CDF helped to remove my fear and taught me to see the world through the wisdom of the Buddha. The monks at CDF have taught us so much, guiding us along the way. But now, it's our turn to give back. Let's help CDF find a permanent home, a special place where the Dhamma can grow for generations, no matter the amount. Every donation counts.
I help to translate Dhamma sermons from Sinhala to English, and also to create subtitles. Not only does this allow me to deepen my understanding of the Dhamma, but it also helps me to develop in my Sinhala and English language skills, despite of being away from the country, all thanks to CDF. Imagine a future where the Dhamma would guide us and inspire us. This is the future we can help create. By supporting CDF's new home, we're making sure that the monks are able to carry out this important mission. Let's come together and make this a reality.
I helped edit videos to share Dhamma around the world. Without CDF, I wouldn't have this opportunity. Imagine a place where the Dhamma thrives for generation, a peaceful space for wisdom, kindness, and inner growth. Together, we can make this dream come true for CDF. Every donation brings us one step closer.
During lockdown, when no monks were around, the monks at CDF still came online, sometimes late into the night, to teach us Dhamma. When we support the Sangha, we support the Dhamma. By helping CDF find a permanent home, we ensure that countless people will have the opportunity to learn and practice the Buddha's teachings. Let's give back to those who have given so much to us. 𝘾𝙤𝙣𝙣𝙗 𝙒𝙾 Namo Buddhaya.